Right, last episode of the Banker Mum and Dad. So this is an important one. It's called guarantees. So with a guarantee, if we look at the same example we've been working with, which is a $600,000 purchase, you've got $60,000. Your parents might not have any money that they can give you, but they might have a house with lots of equity and they're happy to put up that house as additional support for your loan. So how that would work is you would still have your $600,000 purchase, $60,000 deposit and a loan of $540,000. What your parents would then do is guarantee additional $60,000. So you'd have two loans, one loan of $480,000 in your names and then a loan of $60,000 in your names, which your parents guarantee by putting up their house as extra security. Now with a guarantee, there's a couple of considerations. You can only use your parents' bank. Parents presumably will have a mortgage on their property, and if that is the case, we have to use their bank. If they don't have a mortgage on their property, we can certainly consider all lenders. Second consideration is legal advice. Your parents must get legal advice when they're doing a guarantee to ensure that they understand their obligations and legal matters, and we would always make sure that's very clear and that they do in fact get that legal advice they're required to do. So your parents would have to go through a full loan application process exactly the same as you and be fully assessed to make sure they can afford the portion that they're committing to guaranteeing for you. So more involved in that process, a number of extra steps in terms of legal advice and loan applications versus the simplicity of giving you a deed of loan or a gift as per my last episode. So if your parents aren't in a position to give you funds outright but do have a property, are prepared to consider supporting you with your application and putting up that property as additional collateral, then we can certainly look at a guarantee to create 20% to open up better interest rates, easier credit policy and more access to funding, which is the big challenge we face right now with the current legislation in place with borrowing money. So if your parents are in a position to help with that, get in touch. We can discuss options with both you and your parents and make sure everyone's fully informed and we get you the solution that you're after.